What is up, everybody? I'm in my Sharky slides. We are on a mission to go pick up a Z. Not this Z. The Z is here. I'm gonna turn the old Bertha on, get the truck ready, get the baby ready. We're gonna go pick up the Z because you guys said I should do a mini build, and I guess we are. So we're going to. And of course, we have to grab a little gremlin, right? Let's go get the car. What do you think? You look so angry. All right, we'll feed you. And she looks pretty. All right, obviously we're gonna get some wheels. We're gonna get a front lip on it. We're gonna do all kinds of stuff, but I am digging this green. Hopefully tomorrow we can see it sparkle and all that stuff. But I'm pretty stoked with how it looks. It looks damn good. Like, so damn good. Holy shit, it looks good. Oh, she's classy. She is very classy. Well, it is raining. She's all loaded up. We're gonna head over to, I'm not sure if the shop or wherever, but that's her, all painted. Looking cute. I like it. It's cute. My boy Alan, he did a good job. I'm gonna shout him out. But yep, I closed the hood because it had a film. All right. Here's that lovely accidental Z that I started building. Yeah, dude, it's pretty. I like it. It's cute. Hopefully we can pick up some of the flakes on the camera. But it's a little bit dusty because, as you remember, I just picked it up in the rain. This is actually a couple days later. Oh. Yeah, she sparkles. Pretty cute. Yeah, we're gonna get her down. I know this is not our normal setting, but as you can see, we're just building things in a parking garage. I know a lot of you guys don't have shops or whatever, but this is a reminder that you too can build a car and you don't need a shop. Well, it's not really a build, but you know, just a simple streeter, you know, something a little cute with. But let's get her off, get some wheels on, and continue. We found two issues. One, when you play the steering wheel, that don't move. Also, two, when I was moving around, I noticed it was clunking, and yeah, we gotta fix that. So they did change the steering rack. This previous owner did crash. I guess they probably forgot to tighten down the clamp from the steering shaft to the rack. So we're gonna see what's going on there. I'm gonna give you guys a before and after, but I'm gonna run to AutoZone real quick because I forgot I need the aftermarket lug nuts for those wheels, and I still have the regular lug nuts on this, but this car does look good. And we have wheels and a front lip. Front lip sucks to put on by yourself when nobody's here, but it does make the front end look meaner. There's baby mom's car. But other than that, homegirl looks good. She looks classy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm so about it. Oh, that's a money shot. I love it. God damn. We're probably gonna do the steering wheel in a second, but just look at her. Alright, so we're gonna change the steering wheel because yeah. So you're gonna need a flat head and some security torques, because in a second I'll show you why. I don't really care about this one. This will pop. And if you take a look in there, see how it's at star shape. Where's the focus? And yep, there you go. So we're gonna get our handy dandy security torques that we have right here. So I'm gonna take off the steering wheel in a second. So I'm a dangerous person. I actually got these security torques from AutoZone. I've been using them for years. I had these security torques for 5 years now. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it to the impact gun and blast off the screw. Make sure we are on it. Like a baby mama to a baby daddy. Oh, so good. So tasty. This side. I am not left-handed. Boom. Got that. Cool. Same thing again. Oh, nice and tight on there. Super crispy. Love me my AutoZone set. Remove ourselves from the vehicle. Yeah, I just did that. We like living dangerously. So I use this set for on the go, like what I keep inside the Escalade. It's pretty good. I got it from Walmart. I think it was like 15 bucks. Had this for like 3 years, so we are going to find the socket. Oh, dude, first try, 19. So I'm gonna grab my 1/2-inch impact gun, blast that off, and then we'll shimmy this guy out. Oh yeah. I can unplug this too. Sorry, my hands are ashy. It is 30 degrees outside, and I am doing this right now. Go ahead and push that clip up, slide that up. Cool. Now our steering wheel is disconnected, and then I'll show you the hub that I have for this car in a second. It doesn't really matter. You see how that says TD for top dead center? It doesn't really matter right now because the steering rack is actually bad and the teeth are grinding, so this would skip. You hear that clunk? Yep, see that? It would skip. So we are just gonna put the steering wheel on for now. I already ordered a new steering wheel, a new steering rack. Once that rack comes in, then we are going to properly center the rack and realign the car. But for now, we're just gonna put the Hot Boy steering wheel. So let me go grab the impact gun. Handy dandy Milwaukee. So I'd grab her socket, slap her on, put the bada bing to the bada boom. Dude, if you guys can get this impact gun, this is the best investment you can ever make, because oh my god, let freedom run. We're gonna kind of sort of put the nut on a little bit, and oopsie, haven't busted a nut in a while, and we're gonna, there we go, shake that out. Not too bad. You know what I use my left arm for, you know, boom boom boom. And yeah, so now we're gonna go get our hub. So this hub is from Amazon. It's the Koyosar. I like it a lot because one, it's super affordable. I believe I only paid 40 bucks. I'll put the link in the description. It's got room for the clock spring, but not only that, but also too, it comes with the harness for the horn, which is super lovely. So we're gonna have a horn. So this kit actually comes with 2 jumpers, and it's nice because they're fused. So all you have to do really is match that wire right there with the way it's oriented on that guy. So as you can see, this would be our ground if we're matching the pins, like that green one over there. And we take these 2 and we put them in the same exact positions as those from our steering wheel. Okay, so I just tucked in the old airbag wire, and then I have these new horn wires sticking out, so I'm gonna tighten down the hub and then put on my new steering wheel with this new horn. So we'll get that going. Honestly, I really have no idea where we left off, but look at homegirl. She's cute. She's beautiful. There's a bird. It just shat on its way out. But there's homegirl. She looks good. We're gonna take her to the shop because that's the rack in the back there. Gonna take it to the shop and put a rack on it. So I don't feel like doing it on the ground, and it's so much easier. And it's gonna need an alignment, so why not? We're gonna load up, go pick up the kid, because that's my boy. And yeah, see all of you. Oh my god, it looks so good. Focus for me, I guess. Well, if you check it out, Drana's driving the E46, and this car looks insane on the road. Holy binoculars. Alright, so we are underneath this shit. We got Aaron probably judging me behind the seats. Yeah. Yo, it's pretty clean. Yo, Aaron, what do you think? Like, we don't even have a leaking oil. Yo, look at the oil pan.
6 out of 10, pop.
6 out of 10, not 69 out of 10? That's crazy. But other than that, I mean, homegirl looking kind of decent underneath. I mean, shit. Too salty? That's that Northeast car, bro. But yo, it ain't got a drop of oil leaking. Sheesh. I'm pretty stoked. Found out that this Y pipe is a weird Y pipe with this whole exhaust, so I gotta figure one out. And yeah, so we're gonna drop a bunch of stuff and do this steering rack. This is why it's important to nut and bolt check. Crazy. Let's see. This side? Oh, same thing. Ah. So the old rack is out. Caught all that mess. Ahmed did a great job helping me. Thanks, Ahmed. Yeah. Let's get the new one in. All right, so we had the new rack in there, and it was doing the same skipping crap, but then we realized this guy wasn't tightened. So the way to find out is if these two metal pieces aren't touching each other and there's a gap, it's not closed completely. And when it's not closed completely, then it skips. I almost threw away the whole car because I thought the steering column was bad, but got the new rack in there. We got our boy Aaron up there holding the steering wheel.
Get me down from here, please.
Hey, my bad, yo. Just gotta wait like 12 years. You look cute on camera. Alright, so for now, we're just gonna wrap it up here. Car is aligned. It looks good. I did try to lower the rear. Like, I cranked the coilovers like another inch. It's closer, but there is stretch, so it doesn't look that much. But we did lower it a bunch. I'm not gonna go too crazy because I do want to be able to access the lifts, so I can do the exhaust later. I need to order a Y pipe because this has a weird aftermarket Y pipe. So, yep. But for now, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go get dinner with the woman and kid. Later.